Welcome back. In our previous session, we mastered binary conversion. Today, we're leveling up to the hexadecimal system, hex to decimal and vice versa. Since hexadeci means 16, 16 is going to be our base for all conversions. In the hexadecimal system, the symbols start from 0 to 9, and from 10 is represented by A, and 15 is represented by F, and everything in between. So that would be your 0, 1, 2, so on until 9, and from your A, B to your F. So here your A represents your 10, your B represents your 11, your F represents your 15, and so on in between. So this is how a hexadecimal system works in short. Now let's convert value from the hexadecimal to the decimal system. Say for our first question, let's take F7. Now F7 being in the hexadecimal system, I want to convert it to the decimal system. So what we do, first and foremost, we assign indexes to each digit. So this will be, we start from 0. So this will be your 0th index and this will be your first index. Okay. Now we take the first digit. So we take the first digit, its value in the hexadecimal system. F means 15. So our mantissa will be 15 into our base, since we are in the hexadecimal system, is 16 to the power the index. So index for the second digit is 1. So we take it as 1 over there. And we do the same for the second digit. So your value is 7 mantissa into 16 our base to the power the index is 0 for 7. So calculating this, we get, so 15 into 16 is 240 plus your 7 into 1 is your 7. So this is 247 in your decimal system. So F7 in the hexadecimal system is 247 in your decimal system. So let's take another example. Let's take A, B, and C in the hexadecimal system. So first and foremost, we assign indexes. So for C, it's 0. For B, it's 1. For A, it's 2. 0, 1, 2. We start counting from 0. Now we take your third digit. Its corresponding index is 2. So we take the value of A, which is 10 in the hexadecimal. So 10 is your mantissa and base 16 to the index 2. Similarly for B, similarly for the second digit. So the index of the second digit is 1 and B's value is 11 in the hexadecimal system. So 11 being your mantissa into the base 16 to the power of the index 1. And for the last digit, the same process. So C is 12. So 12 into 16 to the power, the index being 0. So we can calculate. So this is 2560 plus this is 176 and this is 12. So the sum of these will be 2748. So this will be in your decimal system. So ABC in your hexadecimal system is 2748 in your decimal system. So we have successfully learned how to convert from hexadecimal to decimal. So we've used F7 and ABC as an example. To convert from our decimal system to a hexadecimal system, we're going to use the method called the repeated division method. So let's take an example. So let's have 128 in your decimal system and we want to convert this into your hexadecimal system. So what we do is we take 128 separately and we use a repeated long division method. It's similar to that of what we used in the binary. In this case, the only difference is that our base is 16, so we continuously divide by 16. So say suppose here, So my 128 would be approximately 32s. So here your 16 eighths are your 128 and your remainder is 0. Okay, so here how do we read this? So we've done the conversion and we repeat this until we've got like a single digit hex in between. So 0 to 15, if we get a value of 0 to 15 over in the last place, then we're good. So once we reach there, we can stop the repeated division. Now it's time for us to extract the results. So in this case, how we extract the information is from the bottom to the top. Okay, so in this case our value will be 80. So 80. So 128 in your decimal system is nothing but 80 in your hexadecimal system. Let's take another example. Let's convert 255 from your decimal system to your hexadecimal system. So we take 255, we repeatedly divide by 16. So in this case, 16 ones are 16, so and the remaining is 9. So we 95, the closest value to 95 is 16 fives are, so 16 fives are 80. So 95, the remainder being 15, so we write 15 as a remainder over here. So like I said, if we get any value from 0 to 15, here it's good. So since we got there, we can stop right over here and we read the values from bottom to top. So we read the values from the bottom to the top. So here we can conclude that it's 15 and 15. So what's 15? So there's no numerical value for 15 in the hexadecimal system. 15 is converted to your F. So this becomes F and this also becomes F. So here what we do is that we read from the bottom to top. So your 255 in your decimal system is F in your hexadecimal system. We've successfully learned the conversions from hexadecimal system to decimal system and vice versa. Let's lock on to this knowledge by solving these two questions that we see on the screen. Make sure to give your answers in the comment section and we'll see you in the next video.